We really enjoyed yesterday.
Yes, and we made a new friend. But where is Aadi?
Hello, friends. I'm late today. Gogu wanted to come to school with me, but I somehow stopped him.
You should have just put him in your school bag.
No.
Hello, friends. How are you all today?
We're good, teacher.
Great! Did you all try coding in Python to solve the equations I gave you?
Yes, teacher,
we did.
We stored our lap racing times and calculated the differences between them. Can we do more now?
Absolutely. Let's try something simple. I want you all to store the marks you got in the last 3 exams and calculate your total score. Eve, would you like to give it a shot?
Sure, teacher. Is this correct, teacher?
Yes, well done. But let me suggest a small improvement. You can assign all the variables in one line to make it more concise.
What does this change do?
This method assigns values to multiple variables in one line, making the code shorter.
Wow, that makes coding much easier.
Can we also write it like this?
Not quite. The variables test1, test2, and test3 need to be defined before you use them in an equation. You'll need to write the equation in the next line.
Oh, I see.
Teacher, can we try one more task?
Sure. Let's say you want to buy 6 notebooks, and each costs Rs55. Can you calculate the total amount you need to pay?
Let me try. Teacher, is this correct?
Excellent job, Aadi.
Teacher, can we combine all the outputs into one print statement?
Yes, would you like to try?
Sure.
Wow, Kalin, that's perfect. I'm so happy with your progress. Oh, the period is over. I'll teach you more coding tricks in the next class. But before you go, here's a task for you. On Aadi's birthday, he wants to give pens to his 3 friends. If he bought 15 pens, how many pens will each friend get?
We'll solve it at home.
Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Aadi, Kalin, and Eve learned some cool Python tricks today. They discovered how to store multiple variables in a single line, practiced calculating totals using basic arithmetic operations, and even combined their outputs into a single print statement. Now it's your turn to try solving the pen problem for Aadi's birthday. And don't forget, if you liked the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next episode.